Open project and load scene, one car build scene. Only thing you need is a car root prefab. It's a skeleton of our future vehicle. We need rig it. To do that, add exported vehicle to scene. I like drag and drop way. As you might see, I've made typical mistake with scale. My Maya scale was not meters but centimeters. We must fix it by only right way, change scale size as f/x property. Now it seems good, more good than before. Next step is unpack prefab. Then make 3 copies of wheels and put those game objects to our skeleton prefab. Move body mesh as child of car body. Move wheels to each wheel collider as you see. Now change positions of body and wheels meshes to 0 for all axes. And make scale -1 for x-axis of wheels at right side of vehicle. Now we need to put objects to the right locations. Try to align wheels to body arcs. If you got blueprints of specific car, place wheels according to the blueprint's dimensions. My vehicle is abstract, so I will arrange parts as it seems good for me. To avoid mistake, I suggest to move wheels by 2. Pay attention to move wheel colliders, not meshes of wheels. It's better to have both axles on same distance from middle. So do not hesitate to move body to axles and not vice versa. Keeping same axles offset from middle is more important than keeping body at middle. Also, I not recommend to move wheel colliders up or down. I mean y-axis, just left and right, forward and backward. It won't be a big mistake, but you need to correct car body collision collider in that case too. Now it's pretty good. Time to align vehicle 2 box colliders to car body mesh dimensions. If your project is focused on collisions, it's better if you load unique mesh collider. But for most pure racing games, first boxes is enough. Try to align the bottom of car body mesh to bottom of box collider. Don't be afraid if wheels are too deep inside body, because we will set it up later. It can be done only in real-time mode. Last thing is wheel collider size. Make it according blueprints if you have. It must be same size as your wheel meshes. For that car, I'll fit it as it seems good. 0.25 as radius seems realistic and fits the meshes well. Now we are good. It's time to create new prefab from this. To do that, rename car root to any name you want and save it as prefab. Take attention to save this prefab to folder under resource folder. It's very important because we need to download it from script and put it there is the only way. So your prefab should be placed anywhere you want but under resource folder. Okay, you save it and now you are ready to press play button. Wow, it runs. Hard part is over. Another wow is about there is no script errors. Car moves strange, but it's okay because it's not tuned yet. Last thing you need to do is change view from game to scene and put car body a little bit higher or lower. Copy position Y and paste it after you exit from play mode. You can't do that until play mode because you can see suspension a real distance. You can see it only in play mode. Do not try to fit it perfect. You may fix it any moment later. Remember, you don't need to do everything perfect. The precision is not really important at this stage. All magic is next scene. And also it's very funny part of project. Then override the prefab. Do not save scene. You really want it clean and untouched for next vehicle you want to create. Now, fun part is coming. Open next scene.